feel like say, don't you know what? You might call you hungry belly. And me feel like so the cocky doesn't get bad up here now, don't you know what? And then you have the good cocky.
We know what there. We know what there. We know what there. We know what there. She can chat to that big head. Hello, hello. We know what there.
If you're
Noah,
I like you. I like you, but can't fuck you, you know. Now you're cocky, look, can you see if you start bad up your cocky, the cocky don't slide out and my time. I wine 2 times, it now the length. So it now go stay for the wine. I'm a wine hard, you don't know how. It now go stay for the it now go stay for the wine. Say so when that man cocky look at them can't get bad fuck. But if my man cocky little me fuck on him because I like exercise my fuck talent. I want to put on bad fucking because I like show off my talent. So if your man cocky little me fuck him, me fucking good. No, I'm not fucking for him, I'm fucking for me. Because I want to show my fuck talent sometimes.
but you don't go for Noah, please. You don't go for Noah.
He said there's a chat going good.
Where him say? Where him say? Me not see.
Like show off my fuck talent. If your man have a big good, I'm going to fuck him.
You can't call my man name in your mouth. You cannot call my man name in your mouth, Noah. You don't have that authority to call my man name in your mouth. Don't do it, Noah. Noah, don't do it. You, nah, nobody can mash up that. Don't call him name. Don't even type him name, Noah. Noah, stay up on the bench. You're on the bench, Noah. And me put you on the bench. Red card. Noah, don't do that. Noah, don't do that. Him supposed to love me. Me are one of the best him ever will get. I'm supposed to, and I do too. Don't do it, Noah. Noah, don't do it. I give him my ear with him. A time for me come back. I give him my ear and see them can't get me out. Come back good strong. Oh, him say, but I tell my friend, say him cocky no small, say Kizzy. Noah say me for tell you, say him cocky no small and don't do it.
Daddy, and that me ear. Da da da. That me ear. No love, sorry. Then the girl and we have sex with them and don't talk. Then the man want to your bread. Want to your brother. If you be fucking girls who be talking about your dick that small, they can't blame me. Remember me, I never sleep yet. Only I talk what them say. I mean, they can correct me, but I don't want to see still. I don't want to cry tears. Yes, sweetheart. I have no idea. Is it? Yeah, from what the Prince are going back to, you know? I be here thinking, Prince, you be rude. You just went downstairs, so why did you do that? No love. Who this over here, so? Oh, you got some requests for
Noah?
for life. I'm gonna do this right here, so I'm sending him that. Oh, himself for adding, mama. Hold up.
Where are adding?
Don't you know what? Don't you know what? Bumper clap, don't do that. Your nose big. Look, your nose looks spread like a big blanket. You know, a big comforter.
You can't talk about me.
No, I swear, you answered the phone a while ago. I know some swear things that are comforter on the bed.
You know, say, let me ask you a question. You always, every time my name come out of your mouth, you bring up some little cocky argument about me. Where you hear about me, please? Tell me.
Here, no? Me ear, you cannot go on.
Where you hear? Where you hear? Where you hear?
You say, but this man, you can't fuck.
Oh God, Noah, oh God, Noah.
Why, Kizzy? I like him, but the cocky is smaller than can't fuck, so it's not gonna work. Come here.
No, come whisper now, Kizzy. Come here now.
No, read my lip.
Noah, Achu.
She call her name to you?
Yeah, Noah.
Me and your friend. Me and your friend. You
Somebody
know.
not the problem. Tell him not kiss it, tell him. Alright, Noah,
No, sir.
cash up her too.
No one tell me, hey, what do
You can't blackmail me.
When you party blood clot, keep your party shell where I slap and so. You say, Kizzy send me a cash app. I'm going to send him a cash app. I know when I get
But me not happy. Me no know why me I got cash up you for telling me somebody who I tell you a lie or you I make up something.
When you lie, I don't mean sleep with you.
First of all right, watch this. Any girl can say anybody can fuck. Them can say that, right? That's a number one. That can be a true and that can be a lie. No, listen me now. That can be a true, that can be a lie. But then, when a girl like I say your cock is small and you know where you have, then you know say you're telling a lie.
No, I want every girl pussy big. No, I never want to know every girl pussy big.
Alright, hold on. Alright. Me and you are friends, mumzel. See? Which part of the story there sound true to you? Talk it true.
Hear what she said the girl said she like you. You're nice.
Yeah.
But yeah, she just say your cock is small.
No, me and your
But she
friend.
said, hold on.
Him can't fuck on the cocky small.
She said him can't fuck on but what she would have liked then, because the cocky not right.
So like him as a person.
Oh, she like him ways and personality.
But the cocky too small. Yeah.
No, but me I ask you as my friend, where you here?
No, me never hear that part there. Me never hear that part there. You know me hear it, me I go tell you. Me never hear it.
Come on, but like me get the one saga.
So when you come
Who
up
can
like
pussy clot and go about?
but send the money still. No, I'm a friend.
Listen, let me tell you something. One thing me can tell you. You see, any girl, I'm gonna say it again. Just like a man can come and say, mumzel can't fuck, mumzel this and mumzel that. Because me and mumzel are friends. Hold on. Me and mumzel are friends. Any man will say mumzel can't fuck. And that's my friend me I tell you about. Any
my
man,
friend, your friend say that?
No, hold on. Me never tell you say, my friend tell me that. But me I say, me know you. Mumzel afraid of be good.
Alright, no, I never ever tell the whole life that. No, I never tell the whole life that. No, I suppose more that thing now. Oh, God.
So, me can tell you this right now. Any man can get up. Remember, I know, you hear what I say. Me not try to defend myself. You know. Me I say, any man can come and say, Mumzel, oh, Mumzel can't. Alright, watch this. Let me give you a story now. Mumzel can't fuck her pussy big. So when a man come with a story like that now, what Mumzel can say? Mumzel can come out and say, well, any man can say me can't fuck, I'm afraid of body and ray. But if him ever say my pussy big, me know that is a lie. Because me know where me have. Wrong or right?
Which is right.
So me, I said to you now, the reason why me wouldn't pay you for tell me nothing, because any girl can say anybody can fuck, that's number one. But when the part combo, the old small, that's when me know say a liar blood clot tell. Cause this your boy one thing.
No, I not believe say small. Me remember one night, me had on the phone, I had talked to a next girl on the phone and she ball over the hood. You remember that, Noah? The girl from...
Shut the fuck up now, or you can't chat, so.
A DC come from?
Oi!
Eh?
Oi!
What?
Alive with the pan.
Me never remember.
Yeah, but no, suppose you're with the too small for she for what she used to. No.
But that's the point. So which part of that believable? You are make a girl tell you that?
Look here now, and me know what she say you could do.
Yeah, me could have done all of this. Mumzel, call me on FaceTime right now. Since me tired of you now. Every time you talk to me. No, every time Mumzel, your friend come on the phone, me don't know why. Me don't know if I just she have a problem with me when me always a boss her read me and press it.
It look like she want to get something on Noah, but she want to know if the cocky is fuckable or if it's biggable, VR.
Alright, so me gonna say something and me not say it as a disrespect. Me gonna say something and me not say it as hold on no, me not say it as a disrespect. Cause me don't know if your friend pum pum good. Me don't know if it bad. Me don't know if it tight. Me don't know if it big.
Your friend never tell if it good.
Hold on, man. Which friend?
I've been you always go JK.
Him not get none. Watch this. President just tell me say not get none. Watch this.
Oh God!
Remember say with that. Me just come off on the phone with my friend and I chat to them. But what may I say? Watch this. She not ugly. She not shape the artist. But you don't know. Nothing wrong with her. But me wanna fuck your friend.
But you fuck one of my friend them though.
No, you want no. Listen what me I say now. Listen what me I say now. You see it because she ready for cuss me now. Bumble hole. Me not just give all of the compliment them. Me say nothing wrong with you, but here why I wanna fuck you. Your friend too loud and always attack shit. Me would do it because she would have tell
so stick a pin now, Noah. You say my friend too loud. So my next friend.
Never loud.
My next friend not loud. No, not the one did that. Me don't know about that. My next friend way up in the DM. She not loud.
Me a blood clot.
Me don't know go suck yourself, mumzel. Me don't have no friend who friend in the DM there. Go suck yourself. You always style me. Me don't know none of your friend them there. Yo. Yo, oh you stay so?
Sometimes I say I'm
Be there like your friend there.
The one where you say this on earth to be it so for one day.
Lie, I tell you. Remember me can't talk with me say no. Remember me say your friend.
You're calling him gonna pay me.
No, sorry.
Remember say, me tell you say your friend.
You know say she go on good and she look good and you can't stop but you say you're dancing and you couldn't take your eye off her.
No, lie I tell. Me say to you say. Me say to you say the whole of we are friend. Me say the whole of we are friend. But remember me know her when she dry like a leaf. And mad. I never look good. I be see the girl in our party. Me not afraid to talk. Me see the girl in our party. And me say, bumbo clot, who the girl ya? And when me look, me say, Jesus Christ, who this?
And they turn froggy after that and jump in at the DM.
Never jump in at the DM. Me never, but me have her number. How me jump in at the DM and me have her number.
But you still going at the DM. But you still going at the DM because you tell me
never going at the DM. Never.
No,
me tell her, hold on. Remember say the whole of we are friends.
But you going at the DM.
But we see at the DM, maybe she post something right away and know how we edit after just say something.
No. Alright, watch this. Remember I know, me a man, one thing me can tell you, nobody can pull no stunt for me. Only can try style me all of know. But me as a man, me keep it real. Remember, me know you don't want to say nothing bad, but talk the truth. Before the thing what you want.
Yeah.
Talk the truth. How it did look?
No, why you have to put me in this? No.
Talk yourself. Talk it through. Talk it through. No, me don't want that to see. Me don't want that to see. I hear.
No, leave me out of certain things now.
All right. So people, let me tell you what go on. The whole of we are friends. The first year, I'm my friend for years too. Remember, me buy all the stuff from the friend.
True.
I know them do them look correct.
Right.
Me not see her in a while. And me just see this big transformation. And me say,
yeah, come on, no.
Eh?
Doctor never rob her, no. We have to give her that props. Doctor
never rob the girl. Me not gonna tell a lie. Me not afraid to talk. The girl stay good. And me
well, please come out for me.
I'm there at the party and me have to go over to her a couple times and say, Jesus Christ. What is? Are you this?
I'm still
So I go so, me not go lie. Me have our number. Me have our number, everything. I'm go so, I have a search for your Instagram, because I never have our Instagram. Me search for your Instagram, me put in our name, everything, because I can't believe. So I run, go looking at Instagram and I look on the picture of them. And I say, Bumbo Clot.
Yes.
Yo, where your Bumbo Clot put people name for? Where your break? We can't read lips. Where you stay so, my girl?
No, he might ask something, man. Me, I tell him something.
And you make the man come and call all the girl name. You see it, yo?
No,
Come on,
I name no call. I name no
him
call.
call her name. I just shoot them now.
No, different name him call. And me, I tell him, no. You don't know who STS to, but me not like that one the way it's spread out. Me have to go call you.
Anyway, you know. So me go son.
Me not like that way there.
So me go son. Me look, me link her and me say, yo. Where go on? Me link her and me say, where go on? And she said to me, say, Awa, where you going so far? So me I say, no. How you stay so good? Here the girl, when me never did stay so good, they never want me. But now you want come chat to me.
No, no, doctor never rubber. Me not tell her like, one of the men them will come out on them. Me not tell her like, I have to give my further props them.
You see it? Me tell us the people like, yo, John.
We not business, we not read no comment, we not read
yeah,
no
come up,
comment.
yo, later. But we never. One thing me can tell about me is a man, me not tell lie. Me can keep it real. Me never look
no,
the
that's
girl.
cool, no, because when me come with my story, I say it never right. I will confirm it and it never right for true.
Alright. Hold on, when you come with your story about me slap one girl, you remember?
Yeah, it never right. I did a friend.
Alright.
But no, your name too easy to call. It come like mine.
No, let me tell you what. I tell you what the problem.
I joke me that room. I never hear on the boy.
No. Tell people that you can't make that right.
No,
I joke
tell
me
Noah.
that. I joke me that make for people. I joke me that make for true. But this is that fuck with Noah.
No, but honestly, me never
send me a cocky picture.
No, Ewa.
Noah, you know the girl want cocky picture, Noah. Noah, the girl want your cocky picture. So we can put it all over the internet.
Nah, man. Any girl see this, have to get it. You can't see me things, so. You have to see.
You know, so I feel like you like Noah.
She like me. I don't feel. She like me.
Me feel like saying like Noah. You want Noah, you know.
But I'm going to tell you the truth. Hear what the truth. Hear the truth.
You don't know when me like
your friend, she like me. She like me. But yo, Mumzel, Kizzy like me. But if I fuck her, she go talk. And I can't take it. Can't take the talking things.
Big stinking church of blood clot, man. Anybody fuck about the fuck. Cause my fuck them the hide. My fuck like the power by blood clot fuck. You win something. You have to talk about the fuck. Because my fuck them good. My pussy tight, gummy, smell blood clot good. No odor. Clean. Nice, warm, wet and gummy. Well tight. Why buy? Anybody get the fuck you have to talk about it? Oh, you man? I'd ask your friend.
Mumzel. What Kizzy really feel like? Kizzy, so you think say your pussy alone have good odor and tight and gummy and rare. I'm not talking about it.
But I'm just telling you about mine, honey.
But me I tell you about me.
Telling you about mine.
Me I tell you about me. Me don't want to do it because you have a talk.
But me just say, no boy.
First of all, the first person. You see me and your
cannot.
If me and your fuck, the first person. Here, alright, watch this. Here why me I can't fuck. Me I keep it real with you. Your mumzel a friend.
Me and you can't fuck. I mean, just like
because you have to tell Mumzel. And Mumzel can chat, she can't hold nothing. Mumzel a tell the world. Mumzel. If me and fuck, Mumzel a tell everybody. Mumzel can't hold nothing. Number one, I'm telling the people about Mumzel. Don't make she know the secret for you. Because here she can't take mustard. Mumzel cannot take mustard. So you see if she says she lose, and you see she lose, she got blood clot talk your business. We are going to hurt.
No, I lie.
Because the
I
last
lie,
time she and her man sit down in her bed.
It was not true. Me getting lie.
But it's
The
not
two and
just
a half
choose a while ago. Just like a choose, so I'm
I can't talk them something upon life, but honestly, you see the girls them talk raw Jamaican patter like Kizzy. I'm not too like fuck them, I'm not too loud. I don't love chat too much. I don't tell people, you know the blood clot, boy, I know I fuck me. I'm crazy.
Man, me like me fuck with my quiet round there.
She not have no sense for you. That's true.
If you like a boy,
Kizzy, you can't get the fuck ya.
Look
Go
here,
on and
if
go.
women like you, you get that gangster shit. You get that Lord friend shit. But when I like you, I'm on my bougie shit.
Oh,
Hey,
so because you don't like me, be talking like mad
right,
nasty to me?
One man at Jamaica was kissing there with long time ago. So him put in paperwork them cause them people them at 5 p.m. So one day when they over our house and Kizzy must have cussed a bad word. Hear the man, who was that? So Kizzy say me when I Kizzy, you know. So I say, Kizzy, why you tell man say me? Kizzy say, mumzel him don't know me like that. I say, oh you know you? I say, you that dog junker, yeah? Kizzy say, man knows that she can't speak low. I say, Jesus Christ. When he reach a New York, no, where think people are going to tell him now? I say, junker.
Him not gonna believe. He will never believe.
People want me to tell you know when mumzel do a man already, people.
I want to know.
Mumzel blackmail one man one time.
Say what?
Mumzel have one man where she blackmail people.
Ah, no, I don't know. I don't know. I leave it alone. Leave people business alone.
Mumzel tell the man say if she wants some money. And the man give Mumzel must say a grand. Mumzel say, how we have a grand? How we have blood clot grand? This can't do nothing. This can't do nothing. The man didn't hear the man. But Mumzel, you know, it's the I say I do this. You know people, you know what Mumzel do? I say Mumzel goes and go in her phone in her video part. I go and start scroll. When the man look him see what ballad. The man say, oh my God, I thought you was deleted this already. You know. Me, I want the money now. And quick as me see him, I take out more 5 more grand.
No, you have to do them so sometime, but no, you see, you can't want secret. That's the
man. I'm not telling no people where Mumzel have in her phone.
No, but no, worse than me.
Me not telling no.
I can't know. I forgot check no, and I tell him man to drop me off, you know, but me never know say no, I did really did I listen. No, me know him down the window, you know, but me never expect. Say no, I would have hear everything. No, I just a cock him ears. Me don't know the business, man, but no, what here we are going, but to me I look the money. I say, you know, me not even care right now. No, nobody know you, yeah.
Yo, Mumzel going to afford people. I went blood clot. Mumzel asked the man for more than $1,000. The man did go like him, Rem. You hear Mumzel go and go to the phone. I see one ballad. I say, Mumzel, I wish ballad, man. That hear the man. Oh my God, Mumzel, you still have that. I told you to delete it. You always want to use this against me. So I say, oh, what that? Here are. Don't give me bumper clap money and see me not put it up on the internet.
No,
people, but now tell you know what the man I do. Just know say him head ball and him head the dumb.
No. I lie. No, it's a lie. No, it's a lie.
Why?
No, you can't know my business again.
You know, that's why you have to stop the Kizzy come online and talk shit and tell
I'm
lies.
glad me never fuck your friend, because so you only can't have one table talk about me. No, you can't know about me.
Oh man, I just true me now want to run an investigation for you. Because you see all you well of chat so. Anyhow, I run investigation for you, you know, Kizzy. I find out if your practice good or not.
Here you.
And give him too. Give me this. Me and him go run it for you. Because I want money. No, listen.
You make your walk and hold my head blood clot in America. If rain too far too blood clot, I'm a down.
No, we are going to run the investigation because I want this money. Me want the money.
What the investigation is about?
Whatever you want to be about.
If your pussy good and if you can, if your pussy good and if you can fuck.
That. My fuck talent, yeah. God, we aim. Look here now, I beat my chest from blood clot that. I beat at any man of them.
I know me now go there.
So this is the one.
Nobody now fight your Kizzy.
Investigation, Kizzy.
Kizzy, nobody now fight your
Kizzy.
Kizzy.
And you can't fuck.
Other man,
No, but suppose one of them say yes.
Yeah.
Cannot fuck and
Kizzy,
if them say me can't fuck, guess why? Because me can't fuck small cocky man. Me can't give them bad fuck.
No, you can't. Here what, Kizzy, let me show you something. You see, watch her now. It takes two hands for clapping up. It takes two hands for clapping up, Kizzy. And sometimes a man might like certain things where you probably, is a girl yeah, you like it will loud and female that loud. So in a female head, he would have probably think say you boring to what him like. You understand?
No, man, I can't keep a Jamaican, my fuck talent good. But no, I'm not freaky. My freaky talent not up there too much.
It's alright.
So what about your fuck talent with that bad? Where you can do wine pan cocky what?
She says she can't fuck a man. She says she can't fuck a man and make him come in a second. A second, you say 3 seconds.
It's no research.
No, me ask you where to say.
Do the research. I can do the research.
Your blood clot, Kizzy, about 2 seconds. Hour. You think me? What? Hold on. You talk about if for the first time we are gonna do it, you say. You can't come in a 2 seconds. Alright, no matter. It no matter when.
The last man would be the first time.
Yeah, man, I thought should have played her pussy on the phone with him, man. And him,
no,
anxious.
No, the person come up and say, you can't fuck you in only 3 minutes. I'm a believer.
What?
3 minutes.
So no one 3 minutes, man, that man. But me just I said, me ask her a question. I said.
No, me not tell him my who. Me can't tell him my who.
No, but me I say, watch her now. Me not say it impossible.
No, but me not say.
Me not impossible, you know. Me just I say, if she have to about if somebody where she fuck already. Or for the first
no,
time.
she never give him the head. She just whine pan it. And the man,
the last time you give me suck, what would I 2019?
No, you're not hearing me. I say, me say.
No, I want person. Me
no, so no, me I say, watch this. Is this person at the first time you did have sex with him? Make him come so quick?
The first time or the second time? It was the first time.
It was 3 times them.
Oh no, she said 3 times them she have sex with them.
1 minute, man, that man. Once me pass it.
So hold on. What we are trying to ask you. Listen to the question we are asking. The first time, the second time, the third time you have sex. Are the same thing them to come in at 3 minutes?
Sometimes one at a time them less.
One at a time less? No.
No man, something wrong with the man, man. Yes, mumzel. Me glad you see what we are saying. Me glad.
Hey, man.
No, I'm good at that straight.
Yo.
No,
something wrong with him.
Blood clot, tell him. No, blood clot.
Something wrong with the man there.
1 time, no. We never know how even 3 times.
Yeah, no, sir. Something wrong.
3 times.
Yo, something wrong with the man there, be.
Nothing wrong with him.
Hold on. The first time, you say I did the foot up in the ear, and you say look a bit sideways. Alright, so the second time, right? You did go up on top, right?
Yeah.
And as you go up on top, you just bust off, and you still didn't mad.
Stop. Remember saying.
We can't talk no more.
No, move your blood clot. Aye, the man will fuck Kizzy if you're there on the live. You fuck and come in at 2 minutes and 1 minute every time fuck Kizzy. Kizzy said that. The man will there on the live.
And then the social media.
So where you ball boy? Talk.
No, you want the girl get a bus head.
No boy can't lick me.
Oh, my boss said because he's a 1 minute man.
No boy can't lick me. And the
blood, look at Kizzy.
Oh my God!
Him friend of money.
Shut up. What is the class?